Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and you probably already know I'm doing a ride along. But this time I'm doing a ride along with a Dua fragrance. This is Stronger with Dua Sandalwood. I got this a little while ago, and it's a clone, obviously, of Stronger with You Sandalwood. And man, I think I wore it once out, but wearing it around the house, it smells so good. So I was like, I don't think I've done a ride along with a Dua. Let's check it out. So starting right out, and one thing about Dua, their fragrances usually, not always, but usually are great performers and they last long. So let me see how they're going to do. Today, I have a little bit of things I have to take care of and run around a little bit. So I'll be out and about. So I'm going to see how it's working. And get behind the neck. Okay, that's good. Man, I'm digging this scent. Oh man, I really need to pick up a sample of Stronger With You Sandalwood so I can compare the two and see if they actually are close. But anyway, jumping right into it. It is 6:47 right now, and the temperature is 50 degrees. If you can see that little 50. So, all right, roll with me. Let's check it out. Hey, what's going on, folks? I know it's a little dark. Let's see. No, that light's not gonna help. But anyway, I'm just doing a little quick check-in. Right now, it is 8:10 and 51 degrees. I got a nice small scent bubble around me. Or at least it feels like a small scent bubble. It's not like doesn't feel like it's filling the room or anything. It is kind of filling up the car a little bit. So I'm pleased with that. It still smells good. And today, I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but it's raining and overcast. So it's a little bit more moisture in the air. I'm not sure if that's going to affect the way the fragrance is going to perform, but right now it's doing okay. All right, keep rolling with me. All right, so I'm back in. Time to wrap this up. I tried to get a little bit more footage, but as you can see, the day was a little crazy. So this fragrance, whew, Stronger with Dua Sandalwood. This is a really good fragrance, man. I'm digging this scent so much, but it says sandalwood, but I'm picking up some other wood too, like a cedar wood, but in the opening, and then it dries down and it's right now is it smells like like a saffron mixed with a sandalwood right now, completely almost gone. And excuse me, the time right now is 8:21. It's been going. It's been like a little small scent bubble for most of the day. And right now it's 42 degrees. Not that it matters because I'm back inside a building, so it doesn't make a difference. But yeah, great scent. I like it. I enjoyed it all day, and like I said, it's still kind of on my clothes a little bit. It's pretty much gone off my skin, but it is what it is. So jumping right into the notes. The notes for Stronger with Dua Sandalwood are saffron, lavender, chestnut, sandalwood, and vanilla. I pick up a little bit of vanilla because it is kind of sweet. This could be a unisex fragrance, but for me, it leaned more masculine, and I enjoyed it. I guess it works for whoever's putting it on. So you know how it is. You wear what you want to wear, anytime you want to wear it. So Dua Sandalwood. I like this ride along. It was pretty good. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but here with me, talking about my ride along fragrance of Dua. Stronger with Dua Sandalwood. Say that 3 times fast. Anyway, it's your boy Will. Till next time, deuces.